everybody, Jeremy here. Just wanted to quick do another one of these landing page teardowns, one of these ad landing page teardowns. Today we've got Fellipo Ricci. Also, just as a quick note, I just grab an ad that comes up on my actual screen. I don't have like any specific agenda, or I'm not like generally seeking these out. But that said, if you want to hit me up, I'm happy to review your ad and landing page as well. So today we're doing Fellipo Ricci, designed by artists, printed by artisans, top quality products to meet high standards, 100% guarantee, money, love it or money back, one of the lowest prices in the industry, available in different sizes and depths. This is fine. I mean, I think that it, being the Monday before Black Friday, I would have liked to see a Black Friday specific ad. But that said, we're going to kind of take a look at this. We've got a nice carousel here. I do like how the pictures are kind of like mocked up. It's still very product focused, but like, there's more context to it than just, like a random, like a random flat product shot, right? Which is nice. You can kind of see it in context of like, above a couch or something like that. Let's click on one of these. And we're going to look at the landing page. So it does take us directly to that specific product, right? This is a pretty standard landing page. I do like the media here that helps out with trust. I like the timer up here at the top. They've got the 40% off store-wide sale. I do like how they have a lot of different photos, shows it in a lot of different contexts. They're going through the the different product features and making sure it's showing its quality made. I wish that the reviews were up a little bit higher. The free shipping, tested at our expense, and lifetime warranty. Those are all great trust badges. They've got great details on the product, the returns. Let's add it to cart and see what happens, right? Let's start the checkout flow with this one. Cool. Right. Oh, interesting. I like that. The actual cart page upsell. That's nice. That's helpful. Shipping address, all of that. They've got some trust badges here. They've got frequently asked questions. Overall, I would say that this is good, right? I'll give this like a solid 8 out of 10. I think that everything's there that needs to be there. I think they did a good job. I think they did a good job with the ads. I would like to see maybe a little bit longer form copy talking about the story and things like that. But the pictures were great. The photos were great. I think that it was a good use of the carousel ad. Again, I like the urgency with, the timer that they've got there. I like everything that they did with the product specific landing page. I mean, overall, just a great job. So let me know what your thoughts are, if you liked it, hated it, and excited to hear from you all in the comments. Thank you so much, and happy marketing, everybody.